Hey guys, today's video is a demo on how to use the Minimo Flawless Charcoal Face Scrub plus Scrubby combo, and it retails for $21.95 on their website. The Scrubby is a silicone pad with little ridges that really exfoliates your skin. The charcoal scrub is an exfoliating blend of activated carbon charcoal and nourishing botanical extracts that help deeply cleanse and maintain healthy, clear skin. It's especially formulated for breakout-prone skin but can be used on all skin types. The mask is very simple to use, and you just take a generous amount and rub it all over your skin. It's also safe to use all over the other parts of your body. One of the things I love most about Minimo Skin Essentials is that it's a Black-owned, all-natural, paraben-free skincare line of facial scrubs, serums, and dark spot correctors. Next, I wet the Scrubby and I massage my face in a circular motion, working in the product and really exfoliating my pores. A few of the key ingredients are bamboo carbon charcoal, an astringent that helps shrink pores, soothe skin, and reduce inflammation; willow bark, a natural form of salicylic acid and exfoliator; ginger, which promotes rapid cell turnover from acne scars and dark spots; and vitamin B5, which stimulates the skin's natural ability to heal and renew itself. Once I finish smoothing the scrub all over my face, I let it sit for 10 minutes as a mask. Next, I just rinse my face with warm water, then I follow up with cold to close my pores, and then I just take a clean towel to pat my face dry. They do say you can do this mask 2 times per day, although I only exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. When I tell you guys this scrub leaves my skin so soft, smooth, and literally glowing, it's amazing. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye my loves.